most important question of determinant. Let us see the question. Question is, if A is a square matrix of order 3 such that A into adjoint of A equal to 10i, then adjoint of A determinant is what? For this type of question we know that it is given A into adjoint of A equal to given 10i. We know A into adjoint of A equal to what? Determinant of A into I. This is what? 10i. So this I cancel. We will get what? Determinant of A equal to 10. Now we have to find determinant of adjoint of A. So we know determinant of adjoint of A equal to what? Determinant of A to the power n minus 1. N is what? Order of matrix. So here order is what? 3. So this is 3 minus 2. So determinant of A power 2. Determinant of A is what? 10. So our correct answer is 10 square 100. So this is 100 is the correct answer. Thank you. See the question. Question is A vector given, B vector given, then find A vector plus B dot A vector minus B. So first to find A vector plus B vector, 3i plus is 9. So this is what? 9i. 2j minus j, that is plus j. In the same way 5k minus 5k, that is 0. So this is A plus B vector dot A minus B. 3i minus 6i, that is minus 3i. In the same way 2j and minus minus plus, so 2j plus j, that is 3j. In the same way plus 5k and minus minus plus, so plus 5, so that is 10k. We know in dot product we take only set. I dot I is what? 1 and other is 0. So 9 into minus 3 minus 27 plus this is j. So j into 3, that is plus 3. So minus 27 plus 3 minus 24. So minus 24 is our correct answer. Let us see the question. Question if A is a 3 into 3 matrix such that determinant of A 8. Then determinant of 3A equals to, you know, determinant of K equal to what? K to the power n. K to the power n into determinant of A. So here K is what? That is we have to find determinant of 3A. So determinant of 3A equal to 3 to the power 3 into determinant of A. So this is 27 into determinant of A is given 8. So this is 8 7 ja 56, 8 2 ja 16, and 16 and 5 21. So correct answer is what? D. See the question. Question is direction ratio of the line passing through the 2 point this and this A. So we have to find direction ratio, that is DRS equal to what? H2 minus X1, that is 0 minus 2. Again Y2 minus Y1, that is 1 plus 4. Again that is Z2 minus Z1. This is minus 1 and minus 5. So we will get what? Minus 2, 5, minus 8. This is the right answer. So B is the correct answer. Let us see the question. The degree of differential equation 1 plus dy by dx whole square equal to x is what? You know degree of differential equation means what? What is the power, maximum power of the dy by dx? So here dy by dx to the power 2. So our correct answer is what? 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.